So this is how we can delete a request to join a Discord on an iPhone, and let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So there are more things you need to know about it, but obviously have the Discord app ready and everything just set up the way that it's supposed to be, right? So make sure you're signed in. And then once you are inside, make sure to navigate to the Friends tab, right? So you should be able to see it like this, right? So you go to the profile section and go to your friends, right? And you have the friend requests right there. So you can see that you have some friend requests which are received and some sent, right? So you can switch in between those, and obviously you can accept those which you have pending for, to be received, or you can then decline them, of course. And you can of course decline or like retract, retrieve, whatever you want to call it, the send requests, right? So that's how you can find those as well. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.